Guys, how you going? I damaged like my audioquest cable lead for HDR and Dolby Atmos. Look, it's well bent up when this sandbar come crashing down on the floor yesterday. This cost me 30 quid. Gutted. It's like the pin. It's well bent up. I got like some new cable from Amazon UK, 8K. This is good for Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, your laptop, your TV, or soundbar, like eARC, 2.1, 120 Hz. I just hope I ain't damaged this player, because I bent the tray yesterday because the tray was open when the soundbar come crashing down on the floor. I managed to like straighten like the tray, so I'm going to find out. I hope the force is with me, and like this player's all kosher. We're going to find out in a little while when I connect this cable up to the soundbar and the Blu-ray player. I hope it's kosher. Happy days. Cheers, guys.